How good's this? How good is this? You got to do this. The best part about sky trains, they are beautifully air conditioned, so it's always an absolute pleasure to get on them. Absolutely brilliant system. I love the sky train. Cheap, easy, clean, air conditioned, great locations you can get to. When you come to Bangkok for the first time, just jump into them. Get used to using them because they are absolutely fantastic. When you're on the sky train and you see one of those waffle stands, it should be compulsory to buy one because they are absolutely magnificent. 25 baht each. I highly recommend the almond waffle. Sawadee krap. Grilled pork. Pork skin. And that's how we do breakfast in Bangkok. Everyone's starting to flood into the city for work, and I'm going to find a spot and have my grilled pork. This is the fun of Bangkok. You just find a spot down the bottom of a soy at Sapan Taksin and Satorn Pier, and that's breakfast on a beautiful walk in Bangkok. So just down at Satorn Pier, after catching the sky train from Chong Nonsi down to Sapan Taksin. Grand Palace is where we're going. Here's the 20 baht ferry to Ta Chang. Just caught the ferry from Satorn to Ta Chang. It's 20 baht. Maharaj Tunnel, which just apparently takes you through to the Grand Palace. Certainly gets hot in here. It's just hard. Everywhere you look's a photograph. You can't film or photograph inside the Temple of the Emerald Buddha. Respectfully, I get it. At the same time, wow, it would be just brilliant photos. It's just beautiful in that inside that hall. and I visited here on the very first trip in 2007. So it's great to be back. And it's great to be back with a GoPro. I hope you get some really nice footage of the Golden Mount. Got my ticket, 100 baht, and now just the 344, by the look of it, very picturesque steps. It's spectacular in its own right, Golden Mount. The bonus is incredible 360-degree view of Bangkok. Through there, I can see my next destination, the giant swing, and in between here and the giant swing somewhere is Tip Samai. So I'll go to the giant swing. I'll first of all get out of this guy's road. So I'll go to giant swing and then I'll head back to Tip Samai. Hopefully have some pad thai. Stomach's still not 100%. Don't know if I'm really game enough to eat when I want to be out and about. It happens in Bangkok. It happens in Thailand. Oh, listen to that. Really worth the visit to Golden Mount. And all the times I've been to Bangkok, this is only the second time I've ever been here. And it's fantastic. So well and truly put it on your list. For the pad thai lovers, Tip Samai, the home of pad thai. People queued up waiting for tables, and I don't think it's even lunchtime yet, so yeah, very popular place. Tip Samai is also famous for the orange juice, and it is as nice an orange juice as you're ever going to get. Wow, been looking forward to this. Yeah, beautiful. uses the traditional recipe. Oh, top and carb, thank you.
May I put on top?
Thank you. Oh, lovely. Thank you very much. Crushed peanuts on top, and nearly forgot my favourite, the lime juice, just as a little drizzle. I should have ordered 2 plates. It's beautiful. That is just really balanced flavours. It's absolutely magnificent. Aroy Macmo, for sure. So to come to Bangkok, one of the nights or lunches, you've got to have Chip Samai, the home of Pad Thai. Thank you. Hey.
All of these books, yes, were mentioned.
Wow.
Mention my restaurant inside the book.
Excellent.
When we open the book, we will see my restaurant inside the book.
Wow. Yeah.
We got mentions.
That's amazing. Thank you, guys.
Thank you very much.
You.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. Tip Samai, amazing. Love it.